Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify and earn money. First, you will sign up for a free trial, which usually lasts for 3 days, giving you ample time to explore the platform. Next, select a suitable subscription plan. The basic plan typically costs around $29 per month. This platform empowers you to establish your own online store, allowing you to sell a wide variety of products, from physical goods to digital downloads or even services, directly to customers worldwide. Once your account is active, the next step is to build your online store. Begin by selecting a theme that reflects your brand's identity and customize it to your liking. Then, add your products, ensuring each item has compelling descriptions and high-resolution images to attract buyers. Crucially, set up secure payment gateways, offering customers various options for seamless transactions. Finally, configure your shipping rates and tax settings to ensure smooth operations and compliance. To truly earn money, effective marketing is essential. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your products and drive traffic directly to your Shopify store. Optimize your product listings and store content for search engines to improve organic visibility. Consider running promotions or offering discounts, such as 10% off first orders, to entice new customers. Building an email list and sending targeted campaigns can also foster customer loyalty and repeat purchases, significantly boosting your sales. After making sales, efficient order management becomes key. Process orders promptly and keep a close eye on your inventory to avoid stockouts. Delivering exceptional customer service is paramount, as satisfied customers often lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Regularly analyze your sales data to understand what's working and where improvements can be made. As your business grows, explore Shopify's extensive app store for integrations that can automate tasks and enhance your store's capabilities, helping you scale effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.